Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn states of matter and gas laws together, step by step. Matter exists mainly as solids, liquids, and gases, and the difference is how the particles move. In a solid, particles are packed tightly and only vibrate in place. In a liquid, they stay close but slide past each other. In a gas, they fly far apart at high speed. Add heat, and particles speed up and spread out. Gases are easy to squeeze and reshape, so they reveal clear rules. Pressure comes from particles colliding with the container walls. Volume is the space the gas occupies. Temperature measures the average speed of the particles. These three quantities are linked, so changing one forces the others to respond. The gas laws describe exactly how. Boyle's law looks at pressure and volume at constant temperature. Push a syringe plunger in, having the volume, and the same particles now hit smaller walls twice as often, so the pressure doubles. Pressure and volume move in opposite directions. That is why a squeezed balloon pushes back harder. You have crammed the particles closer together. Charles's law looks at temperature and volume at constant pressure. Heat a gas and its particles move faster, pushing the walls outward, so the volume grows. That is exactly how a hot air balloon rises. Warming the air inside makes it expand and become less dense than the cooler air outside. Heat and gases swell up. Let's review. The state of matter depends on how close particles are and how fast they move. For gases, Boyle's law ties pressure and volume inversely, while Charles's law ties temperature and volume directly. Picture the particles bouncing around, and each gas law suddenly makes intuitive sense. Heat speeds them up, and pressure pushes them together. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.